Here's a quick rundown on Incredible Tiny Homes, your favorite tiny home builders. The year was 2014. The internet reached about 43% of the world's population, and Rennie built his first tiny home.
We built this whole house in 2 weeks.
He had a simple idea to create a place where
the dream of affordable housing starts right here.
Also to build completely custom tiny homes like the Hobbit house and create a tiny home development. And it worked. Over the next 8 years, they grew from backyards to their own warehouse to eventually their own land, and got even more creative. Solar power, off-grid builds, affordable designs, big tiny homes, small tiny homes, and even built the tiny home development. Now it's over 180 acres, 250 plus tiny home lots with over 60 tiny homes built a month, over 70 employees, and 100,000 YouTube subscribers.
We're gonna run over. We got 3 containers being delivered
so much
today. Hang
going on,
everybody.
They take orders on the web and deliver to all 50 states. You can talk to them in person, on the phone, or online. Check out their tiny home assembly line. Check out Tom's sunglasses. And our Incredibox for just $20,000. Incredible Tiny Homes is a grassroots family business created to provide the dream of affordable, free living. It's a lifestyle, an escape, a home. We are Incredible Tiny Homes.